Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 19th, 2022. We are here to talk about CRISPR Therapeutics today and if it's really worth investing. And the simple answer to that question is yes. As long as there's liquidity, as long as you're trying to come in and make profit off of any particular market, it's always worth investing. Don't try to listen to individuals that try to convince you that it is not worth investing. If you see a lot of volume, if you see high volatility, that means that other people as well is investing in this particular instrument. So yes, is CRISPR Therapeutics worth investing? It is. And any other particular type of instrument that has a market is worth investing, but it has to be liquid, because if you're going to invest, you always want to make sure that you're able to grab the bag or the profit from your investment, right? And if there's not a market, if people are not trading that particular asset or that instrument, then how can you profit? If the market becomes dry and you don't have that many trades, then it's going to be very hard for you to grab profit. That's the name of the game, is to make money. So you guys can tell in CRISPR that there is a market. Like, people are actually coming in and investing in this stock. Look at the volume out at the bottom of this chart. All of this indicates other people investing or trading in the market. Now, as we continue to go out in time, that is going to change. Maybe the market may find another instrument that they find more valuable than CRISPR Therapeutics, and they will leave this market and go there. So your time frame or time horizon also plays a very important role as to whether or not a particular instrument is worth investing. Keep that in mind. Now let's talk about CRISPR Therapeutics, though, because you guys can see that my idea in CRISPR is for price to go down. Okay, I'm there. That is my idea. Currently, I did that video on August the 22nd. Okay, looking for price in CRISPR to trend lower. Now we can see it. It has gone down, but it hasn't been monumental. It wasn't huge. What about now? Can we still see price in CRISPR Therapeutics drop? Because my ultimate TP price, you all can see, is around $55, right? So let's see from a different time frame if that is still the case. This is CRISPR Therapeutics here on a 2 weeks time frame. Okay, and currently the buyers into the market in CRISPR came in around $64. The low on this last completed 2 weekly price bar was $62.10. Okay, last week, you guys can see that the market in CRISPR definitely is seeing buyers enter the market. Look at all that volume that came through in CRISPR. Look at that. A lot of volume came in last week, and you all can see from the price action right here that the market closed off of the highs. That high volume with where price closed is massively indicative of a lot of selling coming on into the market for CRISPR Therapeutics. Keep that in mind, because that is going to tell us whether or not our idea in CRISPR Therapeutics is still viable. Okay, you can see it even here on the 5-day chart that there's indications of selling coming into the market in CRISPR Therapeutics. Okay, so even though we have noticed price in CRISPR Therapeutics go up, it may not last too much longer. Check this out. Let me show you this. The high that came in CRISPR Therapeutics is not a coincidence. Take a look. Look how many times the price in CRISPR Therapeutics got rejected here. Is this going to be the 4th time that CRISPR is going to get rejected and come back down in price? See, this is what I want everyone to realize and understand, is that the market is giving us clues. It's not a coincidence that price was only able to move as high as $75 last week. That's not by coincidence. We definitely need to see that and recognize that. So, are we about to see price in CRISPR go down? Given what has occurred historically, yes. This is the 4th time CRISPR is going to try to attempt to move higher in price. Now, if history is an indication, and we already can tell that selling came into the market last week, then over the last 5 days, then we can say that, yeah, we still look pretty viable to see market in CRISPR go down, right? Let's see this on the 3-day chart. Okay, now on a 3-day chart, take a look at this. This 3-day price bar here is indication of strength or demand coming back into the market in CRISPR. This is what it represents. Now, this 3-day price bar is going to give me all the information I need to know as to whether or not we're going to see price go up or down. And this 3-day price bar is not going to conclude until the next day and 9 hours. So we got like 2 days. How this 3-day price bar ends will tell me whether or not I need to let this play go, play the buy side, or we can keep it and let the price in CRISPR continually go down. Okay, because when you look at this, the last time that the market in CRISPR Therapeutics got rejected, you remember where I had the arrows pointed down on the 5-day time frame around 75. This 5-day price bar or this 3-day price bar, look at them, look totally different from this last one, right? This is indication of strength. This one is indicative of selling coming in. Even here on this one, selling is coming in. Even here on this one, selling is coming in. We're not getting sellers here. So I'm definitely going to pay attention on this current 3-day price bar, because if I still see strength, yeah, we need to cut this and play the market to the upside in CRISPR, and it may only run up to 85 though. Okay, that doesn't mean that the market in CRISPR is massively bullish, not in one sense of the word. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue to go forward with my idea that CRISPR is weak. You guys can see even here on this 2-day price bar, price is still harnessing some weakness in CRISPR. And let me show you all the monthly time frame, then I'll let you all go. Okay, so we got 11 days and 9 hours left. And basically off the last 2 months, this month started in July, and then in August is why I'm long-term still looking for the price in CRISPR to trend down. Okay. So now, the idea is in your court. Where do you think the market in CRISPR is going to go? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.